You know, when I meet with folks after they've been involved in a car crash with a drunk driver, almost the first thing you can tell from these folks is how frustrated they are. Not just with being hit by a drunk driver, but also by the lack of cooperation they get from the authorities. See, after a drunk driving crash, all the rights are with that drunk driver. They have the right to remain silent, they've got constitutional rights. The victim is just kind of out there, and that's usually what they feel like. They don't feel like they have any cooperation from the authorities. The prosecutor, strangely enough, it seems to these victims, probably won't even give them the documentation regarding what the drunk driver told the police on the day of the accident. The police officers in the police department usually will black out the information, even sometimes the name of the drunk driver. The other issue is, when I tell them about the second hidden claim that probably exists, not just so much the drunk driving case, but also, where do they get drunk? Was it a bar? Why was there a bar liquoring that person up to a level where they got on the road and did what they did? There's only a 1-year statute of limitations to bring a claim against a bar. So what you have is you've got a drunk driver who's remaining silent, and you've got a ticking time clock on a really short statute of limitations to bring all the claims you might possibly bring against a tavern or bar who made that drunk a drunk. What we do right out of the chute is we go out and get the records that we can get. And that's not from the prosecutor, who's going to resist giving us the information, usually not from the police, who also think about their Fifth Amendment rights that this drunk driver has. We get those records from the DMV, something called an express consent packet. And it tells the story of that drunk's evening. It tells us right from the beginning to the end what he told the police officers, what their investigation looked like. And it allows us to do our job, which is basically fill in the gaps of information that the victims walk into our office not having. For more information, contact us at 303-782-9999 or go to our website at andersonhemmat.com.